What's up everybody, welcome back to the channel. In this video I will be showing you what to do if your controller is not working with the Black Ops 6 within the PC. So you can use few of the softwares from third party to make sure that your gamepad or your controller is working properly. So and the other thing is you can go to the Windows and search in device manager and open it up. What we're gonna do is we're gonna update the drivers for the controller as well. So here what you have to do is to go to the sound, video and game controllers option, and here what you have to do is to find out your game controller. So here if you have one controller, it will show up here, and what you have to do is to disable it and enable it again. By doing so, your controller issue will be fixed right away. So the other thing that you can do is to update your drivers from here. And what you guys can do is use third-party softwares like here. I have installed one of the software named as the DS4 Windows. So whenever you try to turn on your controller, the controller will show over right here. So here's, you can see that my controller is showing right over here. So that's how you can do it. I hope you found this video helpful. If you do, please consider subscribing to our channel. Take care. Bye bye.